Recoil Audio PW12 D4. So I'm out of the D4 coils. I'm getting some made right now over in the China, but I do have the D2 coils. The D2 coils are slightly larger. Technically they do fit, but it's too close. It's too close for comfort. So what I did was I took off 2 layers. This is going to remove some of the mass, so I'm going to have to add the mass back. And then I just used one of our little cheapy spiders that I sell for 13 bucks. I got 3 flavors of this spider, which is 61.2 millimeter, which is this one, 2 3/8, and then the regular 64 millimeter, which is 2 1/2, and then the 65.8, which is the 2 5/8. They all have, I think, 7 1/4 OD, and that's what just happens to fit on this woofer. Now the shim is quite thin, so I'm not sure how it's going to work out, and I didn't want to spend a lot of time on this doing epoxy. Usually I do epoxy on the bottom at least, and then I'll do epoxy on the top, but I just wanted to put this together real quick to see if it works even, or if I have to order coils from whoever makes these for Recoil. But because just like I said, the specs are just they're not quite normal. Typically on a woofer like this, it's based on a very popular foundation like that they use with Kicker, Rockford Fosgate, who else? I'm sorry, 2 3/8 is Kicker, also used by Power Acoustic, which is also Soundstream, unlike the T7, and I forget, there's a bunch of other ones that use this one. It's a little undersized 2 1/2, but it's considered a 2 1/2 in the 2 1/2 range. And so anyways, I'm just going to use 2 of the leads. The other 2 I just cut off, but I left on there so that it'll balance the spider, meaning it'll have the same resistance whenever it's excurting. And then I'll just terminate to these 2, and I'll probably just remove that. And this will be a single 2 ohm. So, but I just wanted to show you I did CA on both sides. One of the leads was a little loose, so I CA'd that, and then same with that one. So at first I was going to do them 180 degrees from one another, and then I changed my mind and I did them both on the same side. So, but I'll use this, and then I think I'll use the Johnny 5 cone because it looks very nice. And then because it's a 2 1/2, I can use the concave cap, which looks very similar to the Recoil PW series. So it'll be like, I guess it'll be a Recoil knockoff, which is a knockoff of a knockoff. It's fucking great. And the leads are not 180 degrees because it uses this 5-spoke frame, so they're a little bit off anyway, which I didn't like. So, but that's it. I'll go ahead and finish this and put this together as a part 2, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you.